English for Everyone. Coursebook. Level 3, Intermediate. Lesson 59.
To report on past events, such as a crime or accident, you often need to explain what else was happening at the time. Use the past continuous to do this.
I knocked on your door at noon, but you weren't at home. What were you doing?
I was having lunch with a friend.
Sorry I missed your call. I was mowing the lawn. He didn't go to the party because he was working late. This time last week, we were hiking in Peru.
How to form the past continuous. Use was or were followed by the verb with ing to form the past continuous. I was having lunch with a friend.
The children were playing outside yesterday afternoon. They were singing in the choir last night. It was a very good concert. You were talking on the phone at lunchtime today. I didn't want to interrupt your call. Sorry I didn't answer the phone. I was eating my dinner when you called. She was driving down my road earlier today. I waved, but she didn't see me. He was doing his homework when his friend arrived, so he still has lots to do. Ethan was picking apples outside this morning. They look absolutely delicious.
Can you tell me what happened this morning, Mr. Jones?
Well, around 10 in the morning, I was doing the dishes. Then, soon after that, I was polishing the dining table. I thought I heard a noise, but I was really concentrating on the polishing, so I didn't take much notice.
What happened next?
I was vacuuming the living room, around 10:15, when I heard someone upstairs. It sounded like they were looking for something in my wife's closet. About 2 minutes later, someone ran down the stairs.
And then?
I ran to the window. A man was getting into a car. Next thing, he was driving away.
What time was this, Mr. Jones?
10:20. Then I called you. I was just sitting in the living room and listening to some music when you rang the doorbell.
Time. Name. Activity. 10:30, Mr. Black, gardening. 10:30, Mr. Chandra, wash car. 10:35, Mr. Black, saw man in jeans and black t-shirt get into car. 10:37, Mrs. Gomez, walk back from stores. 10:38, Mr. Chandra, saw same man walk up and down road, looking at houses. 10:45, Mr. Chandra saw man leave next door, carrying big bag. 10:47, Mrs. Gomez saw same man driving fast car.
I was cleaning the kitchen. You were vacuuming the living room. She was working outside. They were washing the car. We were walking home. He was looking at houses.
Neighborhood watch. Thank you for joining the fight against crime. Remember, it takes time to build a good team, so it's worth having a discussion with your neighbors in order to take a view on who does what and decide who should take charge. It's best to have two people on watch at the same time. This means that, if you make a discovery, you should make an effort to discuss it with your neighbor in order to make sense of what you've seen. Once you are sure the activity is suspicious, you need to have a plan about what to do. It's tempting to rush things if you want to make progress, but don't approach a suspect unless you are certain it's safe to do so. Criminals will take advantage of any situation if they have the chance to do so, and you may put yourself in danger.
Take charge. Make an effort. Make sense of. Have a plan. Take time. Have a discussion. Have the chance. Take a view. Take advantage. Make a discovery. Make progress.
You need to make an effort if you want to succeed. This project will take time, but I must get it right. Thanks for helping me make sense of my homework. It's good to have a discussion to solve problems. Let's meet up next week if we have the chance. You must not let people take advantage of you.
End of lesson 59.